Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. Man, I got a cool 66 Chevelle, 396 under the hood, 4-speed, custom interior, 4-wheel disc, all resto modded out. You're gonna love checking this one out. So go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We're gonna get it on the lift so you can see how pretty the bottom side is. We're gonna pop the hood, take a look at that 396. It's got an Edelbrock top end kit on it. We're gonna look at that custom interior. We're gonna get inside the trunk. We're gonna show you everything you wanna see so you can make a great decision on your 66 Chevelle investment. So come on up and we'll fire this beast up. All right, let's check this beauty out. You can see the chrome on the front bumper looks like it's brand new. The grille looks brand new. The trim on the front of the hood looks brand new. And this jet black paint is slick as can be. The body work is phenomenal. You guys that know cars know you gotta be a good body man to paint a car black. And the reflections in this black paint look perfect. It's amazing. That hood's lined up near perfect with the front fender. The line's nice and straight. We got 396 badges on it. They tell me just the wheels for the car were $5,000. It's got CPP disc brakes all the way around, drilled and slotted rotors. Great looking trim here on the wheel wells. The rocker moldings look great. That door's flushed up nice with the front fender. All the stainless up here is in beautiful shape. The chrome on the vent window looks good. Chrome on the door handle looks good. The door's lined up nice there. Just a little bit of it's a little bit out here, but the line's nice and straight here. It's nice and smooth opening. That door lip looks great. They've got all the rubbers on here. The seal's been replaced, and look at this interior. This has got to be one of the nicest looking interiors I've ever seen on a Chevelle. This thing is amazing, man. Look at that. She is gorgeous. Look at that back seat. Look at the stitching in that thing. It's beautiful. The headliner looks good. The dome lights working. The sun visors match. Even the steering wheel matches. And take a look at that valance they've added on the bottom side of the dash that matches the interior. The center console looks amazing. That 4-speed shifter, all the gauges look great. The dash pad looks awesome. I'll grab the keys here so we can get in the trunk. That is slick as can be. That chrome is beautiful. These bezels are beautiful. Get inside the trunk here and see what it looks like. Oh man, look at that trunk. Looks just as nice as the interior on the car. What a beautiful job they did. I can still see part numbers right here. It looks original to the car. All the lips here on the deck lid look good. The paint work here looks great. And when you look down the side of the car, look how straight that black paint job is. It is amazing. What a beautiful job they did on this car, guys. All the glass is in good shape too. All the glass fits nice. Doors operate nice and smooth. These jambs are also nice and clean. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we're not consignment dealers. That means we spend the time to check the cars out before we buy them. Then when we bring them back here to the shop, we inspect them so we can answer any question you have about the car. So give Tom a call at 248-974-9513 and he can get this dream parked in your driveway. Now let's go outside and drive this beauty. Let's take a 66 for a ride. What a beautiful car. What an amazing paint job. It runs like a top. The interior's drop dead gorgeous. This is a show winner right here, guys. 66 Chevelle, big block 4-speed. Just an amazing ride. So call Tom at 248-974-9513 and he can tell you how easy it is to park this dream in your driveway anywhere in the world. Man, we are professional shippers. We can ship it out anywhere. And if you need help with financing, we got that covered for you too. We got 2 bankers we work with. We can hook you up with financing with only about a 15-minute phone call with the banker. She's an amazing ride, guys. Driving straight as an arrow, brakes feel good, power feels good, trans is shifting good up and down, handling like she's on rails. Just an amazing machine. Now look down here on the dash. Everything looks stock down here. We've got our fuel gauge, our speedo, and then we've got our extra gauges down here for the water temp, the RPMs, and then that's the oil pressure there. It's got an aftermarket radio. All the chrome looks good. She's driving amazing, guys. Just straight down the road. And the trans feels great. The clutch feels good. The brakes feel great. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we're only 20 minutes from the airport. So if you'd like to come visit and check this car out, just hop on an airplane, get in your car. We're real close to Ann Arbor here in Michigan, so it's a real quick ride. Now we're gonna put this up on the lift so you can check out just how beautiful the underside is. And then we're gonna pop the hood and take a look what's making the power and what's making all that sweet music coming out of that exhaust system, man. 3-inch all the way out the back. What an amazing build here, guys. And don't forget, we're buying 40 new cars a month, so we've always got something new and exciting coming in at Vanguard. Now here's our shop right here. We're at 15100 Keel Street. Now stick with us because we're gonna put it up in the air so you can see just how beautiful the bottom side is. Then we're gonna pop the hood and take a look at that 396. All right, we're underneath this beautiful 66, and I tell you what, it is just as beautiful under here too. Look at that, 3-inch exhaust, paint on the frame, new bushings, beautiful paint on the trunk floor here. Gas tank looks like it's new and it was repainted. The straps are definitely new. We got our fuel filter mounted here with some Aeroquip hoses. Look at that big old Ford 9-inch in there. That is a super heavy duty housing in there, and it's all set up with the bracketry to be installed right into this car in the factory location with aftermarket tubular and upper control arms, a big sway bar, QA1 shocks. We got CPP brakes back here. They are disc, they are drilled and slotted. The frame is beautiful, Flowmaster mufflers, drive shafts all painted up, floorboards all painted up. We got a brand new brake line running front to back, brand new fuel line. That's again an Aeroquip stainless steel running front to back. It's a 1970 model Muncie 4-speed trans. Cross members nicely painted. Looks like a brand new speedo cable. Looks like a brand new Hurst shifter in there. An explosion-proof bell housing. All the bolts in it. Long tube headers, and those are also big tube headers. And talking about tubes, we got tubular lower control arms, tubular upper control arms. We've got coilovers holding up the front end. Looks like 4-piston or 2-piston, those are just 2-piston CPP brakes up front. Those are disc also. Drilled and slotted on the rotors. The ball joints are brand new, top and bottom. All the steering gear looks new. Aluminum radiator, aluminum pulleys, serpentine belt set up there. Looks like a new fuel pump. Front frames, horns are nice and straight. Core support looks good. New chrome on the front bumper. It's just an amazing machine, guys. Just everything about this car is brand new and super cool. Now let's look at those wheels and tires. All right, up front here, brand new wheels. These babies are custom. Previous owner said he dropped $5 grand just on these wheels. The tires are 225/40 19s up front. Wheel lip moldings look great. Rocker moldings look great. Paint on the frame looks great. Paint on the inner wheelhouse looks great. and paint right down to the bottom edge on that front fender and that door. Gorgeous. Let's look at the rear. All right, out back here, same good looking wheel, but a little deeper. You can see that little extra space there. We've got, let's see, more tire back here too. Let's see if I can find the size. There it is. 275 35 20s out back. Again, wheel lip molding looks new. Wheelhouse is nicely painted, and you always want to feel that edge where that wheelhouse goes to the quarter. It's nice and clean back there. All that is clean metal, spot welded to that outer quarter there. That wheel lip molding looks good. That pinch weld's gorgeous. Just a phenomenal car. Let's get under the hood. All right, under the hood of this baby, we got a 1969 396 with aluminum Edelbrock heads, aluminum dual plane intake, a Holly carb, that's a 4-barrel. She's dual feed, got an MSD distributor, MSD coil, great looking Chevrolet aluminum valve covers here, jet coated big tube headers, MSD wires, got great looking heater hoses here along with the fuel line coming in, serpentine belt setup, aluminum water pump. She does have power steering, she does have power brakes. Firewall's nicely shaved and painted real nice. The inner fenders are nicely painted. The paintwork on the bottom side of the hood looks like a good enough paint job for the top side of the hood. A Be Cool aluminum radiator that's cross flow, brand new AC Delco battery. This car is amazing, guys. Call us at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.